10 Keto Breakfast Egg Muffins, easy and low carb. If you're short on time in the morning, breakfast egg muffins are the way to go. Prepping these keto breakfast egg muffins ahead of time will make your mornings so much easier. They make for an awesome grab and go low carb breakfast. Just pop them in the microwave or eat them cold. This non-stick silicone muffin pan is my go-to when baking my egg muffins because cleanup is so easy. These low-carb breakfast egg muffins are packed with protein and healthy ingredients. Remember, if you don't like an ingredient, you can always omit it or come up with a good substitution. That's why I love having keto egg cups. You can really customize them to your own taste. Check out these easy keto breakfast egg muffins below and let me know how they turned out. 1. Green chili and cheese egg muffins. Keto breakfast egg muffins. Recipe from Kaylin's Kitchen. Looking to spice up your breakfast? If you are a spicy food fanatic, you will love these tasty little egg muffins. All ingredients are relatively cheap, so you can save a lot of money meal prepping. 2. Bacon and egg Florentine muffins. Recipe from Keto. Size me. These egg muffins turn out so fluffy and delicious. As an added bonus, cooked spinach is a great way to get a little bit of extra iron and nutrients for the day. Keto Size Me is more than just a food blog. Author Shasta shares her personal keto journey and all her tips and tricks she's learned along the way. Be sure to check it out. 3. Sausage and egg breakfast muffins. Low carb breakfast egg muffins. Recipe from Joy Filled Eats. You really can't go wrong with sausage and eggs, and this recipe is no exception. The prep for these muffins really can't get any easier. You don't even have to cook the sausage ahead of time. Joy gives you a few flavor variations of this recipe as well, so you can enjoy these over and over again without getting bored. It's nice to have a little variety. 4. Taco breakfast egg muffins. Keto breakfast egg muffins. Recipe from Peace, Love and Low Carb. You don't have to wait for Tuesday to have tacos. Hee. Next time you're craving some tacos, try out this recipe stuffed with all your favorite taco fixins. 5. Veggie and egg muffin cups. Breakfast egg muffins. Recipe from Wholesome Yum. Roasted broccoli, red pepper, and other veggies give these egg cups a healthy punch. You can follow her veggie recommendations or add your favorite vegetables to the recipe. 6. Meat and egg muffins filled with sausage gravy. Low carb breakfast egg muffins. Recipe from 730 Sage Street. If you thought you didn't have time in the morning for some old-fashioned comfort food, I'm happy to tell you that you're wrong. Enjoy some comfort food in muffin form without breaking your keto diet. 7. Buffalo chicken egg muffins. Ketogenic breakfast egg muffins. Recipe from Peace, Love and Low Carb. Looking for something spicy and tangy? These will really hit the spot. Seriously, my hat is off to Peace, Love and Low Carb. I've seen many egg muffin recipes, many that use the same ingredients, but this one is so creative. 8. Pesto egg muffins. Keto egg muffins. Recipe from Keto Diet blog. These Mediterranean-style egg muffins are packed with pesto, sun-dried tomatoes, olives and other healthy ingredients. 9. Jalapeno popper egg cups. Keto egg cups. Recipe from ruled.me. So I already featured this yummy egg cup idea in my keto breakfast post, but they make this list as well because they are that good. Love how Craig from ruled.me cleverly wrapped the bacon around the outer edge of the egg cup. 10. Meat, cheese and green bell pepper egg muffins. Low carb breakfast egg muffins. Recipe from Kaylin's Kitchen. Sometimes basic ingredients are the best. We tend to all overcomplicate our lives. Why overcomplicate breakfast? These ingredients pair very well together. Come, subscribe and get more about keto breakfast recipes.